Hi, I'm Rob Visher, design engineer for CookTek. I'm here with Steve Borosak, corporate chef for Middleby. We're going to talk about the brand new CookTek Induction Plancha today. The current model here has two different zones, completely independent control. So you can set one side at one temperature and the other side at a completely different temperature. How does that benefit a chef to have that flexibility?
You could open up the menu a little bit more as far as the amount of stuff that you can cook at one time on this. You could be cooking a hamburger for one side on one side, whereas you could be cooking chicken on the other. You may not need as much heat for that chicken. Therefore, you can accomplish a lot more in a lot smaller space.
When you walk into your restaurant in the morning, you start your equipment going. How long would you expect something like this to take to get started?
Probably about 45 minutes, I'd say.
If I told you that this will heat to 525 in about 11 minutes, how does that help you?
It helps me tremendously because it's going to be a lot more efficient in the back of the house for my kitchen. Getting up to temperature at a lot more rapid rate saves a lot more labor in the kitchen.
If you're going to do the burgers, load it up with burgers. Put 20, 25 hamburgers across the surface here.
Sure.
Take it all the way to the edge and you get the same color out of every burger. Obviously that helps you because you can cook more product on it at a given time.
And I don't have to worry about keeping everything in the center like I used to a long time ago. I now have a lot more versatility on a single cooking surface than I have before.
Let's say you're going to do some steaks or some big pieces of chicken, and you drop the chicken on there, and obviously the temperature is going to drop a little bit. That's just physics,
yes.
Right? How do you know when it's recovered or when the temperature's back?
You do it by feel usually. You have to stand here and watch it to make sure that the recovery has taken place and you can cook. One other thing that's nice about a unit like this is the recovery time is going to be a lot lower, if none at all, that you can continue to load this without any worries about recovery.
There's also an indicator on the unit. The character, in this case the F, indicating temperature, will flash when the unit is actively providing energy and recovering.
Okay.
And when it's gotten back to that temperature, it goes solid. So you've got that indication right there in front of you. So there's no guesswork anymore. Basically what we've got here is an induction plancha that's faster, that's got great recovery time, and the same or better evenness than any other methodology out there.
I think it's awesome. I think just the versatility of it, I can see the application pretty much open-ended to do a lot of things. I at home have my own grill as well, something not as nice as this or as big as this, but I really like doing the teppanyaki thing, and I would just die to bring all my ingredients here and try it on this right now.
What do you think of the evenness?
I think it was phenomenal. The benefit of this unit is that if you have a lot to do at one time, if a lot of orders come in for a restaurant, you have nothing to worry about as far as the evenness of cooking, and you could just load the whole thing up and get those orders out a lot quicker.
So, you put this in your kitchen?
Absolutely.
Well, thanks so much for your time.
You're welcome.
And if you want more information about the plancha, you can visit CookTek.com.